So in this video we're going to use Euclid's algorithm to find the greatest common divisors, GCD, of these three pairs of numbers. So 1460, start off with a nice easy one, then we'll get a little bit more progressive here, and this one here is going to take a little bit of doing. So greatest common divisors, we're looking for a number that will go into these pairs of numbers with no remainder. So for Euclid's algorithm, what we do is we take the biggest number first. So for this one, 60, and then we say that that equals 14 times something. So 14 times what is just under 60? Well, if we times that by 4, we get 56, and then we add 4, we've got 4 remainder. Okay, so 60 equals 4 times 14, that's 56, plus 4 is 60, so this is true. So next what we have to do is we take these two numbers and start over here. So this 14 will come here, and we write 14 equals, and then this 4, we multiply the 4 by something to be just under 14. So obviously we can see that is 3. So that's 3 times 4 is 12, plus something would equal 14. Well, we know that that is 2. Okay, so now we do the same again. Bring these numbers down here, let's put that arrow there so we can see what we're doing. So this 4 will come here, and we say 4 equals something times the 2. So 4 equals 2 times 2. That's pretty straightforward. Plus 0. Okay, so when you see the 0, it means we've come to the end. So that's the end. So what we can say is that the greatest common divisor of 14 and 60 is 2. So it's going to be this number here. Okay, so this one equals 2. Okay, let's use the same technique on this one. Again, pick the largest number first, 351. And that equals something times 27 plus a remainder. Okay, 27's into 351. So 27 times 10 is 270. That's 81 left, so it's 13. So 13 times 27, so that becomes 351 plus 0. So therefore we can say that the greatest common divisor of 27 and 351 is 27. We got there straight away. So that is the end. So 0 is the end, and then 27 gives us our answer. So this one here is 27. So as you can see, sometimes you need lots of layers of working out. Sometimes it takes you straight to the answer. It's just a look of the draw sometimes. Okay, so now this one, 3,502, biggest number first. And that equals something times 102 plus some remainder. Okay, so this is going to take a bit more working out. So 30 times 102, let's just work that out over here. 30 times 102, well, that's going to give us 3060. Treble that and put 0 on the end, that's 3060. And then we need another 442 remainder. So we've got 442 to find to get to 3,502. So how many 102s in 442? Well, there's 4, isn't there? So 4 times 102 equals 442. That's 408. So it gives us 34 remainder. So therefore we've got 30 plus 4, 34 times 102. And then we got 34 remainder. Okay, so now following this technique here, bring these 102 and 34 across. So 102 equals something times 34 plus a remainder. Okay, 34 times what is 102? Well, 34 times 3 is exactly 102. and with 0 remainder. So again, we got lucky here again. 3 times 3402, 0 remainder. So therefore this gives us the answer, and this symbol's the end. So the greatest common divisor of 102 and 3502 is 34. Okay.